conduction. Roots pass water and nutrients upward to the stem from the ground. And storage, some roots store starch and food used during dry seasons or for growth. So again, there are four functions. First, anchorage. Second, absorption. Third, conduction. And fourth, storage. So let's talk about root system of different kinds of plants. So let's talk about the root system of carrots. So a carrot is an example of taproot. Yes, not a fibrous root system. A taproot has one main root that grows larger and deeper than other roots. And another example, beets. Beets have a taproot system consisting a main taproot that grows vertically downward and numerous lateral roots. So the thin roots or the smaller roots are called lateral roots. But the big one is called main taproot or main root. And let's talk about the root system of radishes. Radishes have taproot system with one main